Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am going to show you how you can apply to jobs from LinkedIn. So once you have created your profile on LinkedIn, your profile will be something look like this. So now if you want to apply to jobs and get a part-time job or full-time job from LinkedIn, click on the job section. Here it is. And then search for the jobs related to your skill set. So I am going to write WordPress and then enter a city or state, etc. I'm going to put United States and then search. Now here you can add some filters. For example, date posted, I would add past 24 hours, the new jobs I want to apply to, new jobs. And then you can also select the experience level, company, and job type. You can select full-time or part-time job, and you can select on-site or remote job. I am going to select remote job. And then there's a special option that is a easy apply option that LinkedIn provides us. So I'm going to select this one also. So easy apply means you can easily apply through LinkedIn. You don't have to go to any other website. So now, for example, this is a WordPress developer job that has been posted 15 hours ago. And you can also see how many applicants have applied to this job. And then if you want to apply to this job, then click on easy apply, and then it will ask you for some informations. Enter your email, your country code, and then your mobile phone number. Then click on next. Then here add your resume, and then click on next. And here you have to answer some of your client's questions, and then click on review. Review your application and make some changes if you want to, and then click on submit application. Now your application has been submitted. So that's how you can easily apply to your jobs. You can also earn a badge from LinkedIn by completing a 15-minute skill test. And you can also apply to jobs that are asking you to go to other website and then apply from there. If you remove this easy apply, then you will see that it will ask you to go to another website, then apply from there. That could be any website, for example Upwork or TopTal, etc. But I mostly prefer easy apply because that saves a lot of time. You can see there is a apply button. This is not easy apply, so you will go to another website and then you will submit your proposal from this website. Now you have to fill all these details and then click on submit if you want to submit your proposal. Okay, right. That's how you can apply to your related jobs. And building a profile on LinkedIn is very important. So add as many experience as you can to your LinkedIn profile so clients can search you and hire you. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.